This teacher training has been inspiring.
It's been really enlightening.
Very practical. I really enjoyed being uninhibited with movement and getting into that playful part of our bodies.
Being a kids yoga teacher training has made me dig deep to find my inner child.
It's when we talk about mind, body and spirit, or what does that mean from a child's perspective?
Getting into that childlike state and that childlike joy has been really fun and engaging.
The takeaways have been amazing from this course.
It's opened up a different side to yoga.
An awesome fun time.
It's opened up many doors of possibilities.
I can't wait to teach yoga to kids.